Hey folks, hey, this is Wesley, Billion Dollar Virgin here. Listen to me closely, please. What I want to do in this video here, and by the way, yes, I'm in my bathroom because my bathroom is the best lighting here, okay? What I want to give you, as you guys jump in here, maybe on YouTube and maybe you're on Facebook or Instagram, I want to give you a very simple technique, okay? That's very popular among millionaires, but they don't share this with you. And it's very practical. And guess what? It doesn't cost any money to do, $0. So if you can hear me, go ahead and hit that like button right there for me. And you can hit the share button, or you don't have to hit the share button. But I really want you to listen close, okay? And let me start with a story. Let me start with a question, actually. Have you ever, okay, listen. Have you ever did something or said that you were going to do something and you didn't do it, okay? Maybe work out, right? Maybe read a book, work on the business. Maybe you're supposed to go to a sales conference or maybe make a sales call, but you just didn't do it, right? Now, some of you believe that, and correct me if I'm wrong, some of you believe that it's because you're not motivated. How many of you believe that? Some of you believe, well, I'm just not dedicated. I just can't get myself motivated to do the things that I need to do. Wrong. Okay? It has nothing to do with motivation or dedication as it relates to getting you to do something to help you make money. Okay? Now, pay attention. This is very practical. It's very simple, but it's very powerful. Okay? I did this years ago. I will show you guys okay, I guess I'm about to tell you. So write this down. If you have a pen or a pencil, and I want all of you that's listening to this video to write this below. Write it down, okay? Listen to me here. Write it down, everything, okay? Listen, now, I have a staff, over 20 people that work for me around the world. Have a $30 million company under the Virgin Media umbrella. Many different companies, right? And the one thing I tell my employees or staff or partners to do to be more effective and be more productive, and the reason why we've doubled our income this year is because they're writing things down. Now, what do I mean by write it down? Like right now, you should be writing what I'm telling you down below on your notepad. How many of you right now have a task or things that you must do? Like today, maybe you have to do things, right? Go to work, go to the job, take the kids home, buy this, go grocery store shopping, make a sales call, go to an event, book the flights, right? So many things we want to accomplish during our day. But the reason why most of you don't do it is because you're trying to trust your brain. Listen to me. Do not trust your brain to remember information or things or tasks that you must do to be beneficial or productive during your day. Writing things down has made me millions of dollars because I don't trust my brain. Because I can say, you know what? I got to work out today. I got to work on my business. I got to work on the website. I got to create a Facebook ad. I got to create some copy for a new company. I got to meet with this guy in Russia. I got to do a Skype call with my employees. If I don't write those things down, then guess what? Nothing ever gets accomplished and you'll forget. Listen, young people, writing things down, in my opinion, this is my philosophy here, is the reason why my success has soared past others. Teaching my staff or the people that work for me to write things down has helped them make more money. Listen to me and I'm going to let you go. Do not trust your brain. Your brain does not have the capacity to remember everything that you want to do and the things that you must do. It just doesn't. Let me prove it to you. I want you to repeat the first word I said when I first recorded this video. Like when you turned on this video and start watching me, what was the first thing what was the first 3 words that came out of my mouth? I give you $100 if you can guess it. You can't. Tell me what I said in the middle of this conversation. You don't know. See how quickly the brain forgets? Because the brain is very simplistic. It remembers what's going on right now. Maybe you remember the title of the video, write it down, right? You can remember I'm in the bathroom, but you can't remember the details. So that means while you're watching a video, like I'm a multimillionaire, okay? That means that while you're watching the information, you should be writing these things down. It's amazing how many people that want to be rich, they want to be prosperous, and they listen to rich people like myself, and they don't even write down the information. I mean, you watch the videos, you're like, oh, that sounds good. Wesley's awesome. He's giving out this free information, but you don't write it down. You're going to forget everything what I just said here. Listen to me. This is free information. I'm not charging you a dime for this. Okay? I'm not telling you to go to wesleyvirgin.com and purchase the Overnight Millionaire. I'm not telling you and I'm asking you to pay me $10,000 per hour, which is my rate for me to mentor you. I'm giving you something that's practical and simplistic. I'm giving you something that I did for myself, that I currently do. I write everything down. And by writing those things down, I don't forget. I love you guys. If that resonated with you, please, if this video, and if right now you're going to make a decision to start writing things down, I mean, everything, this is applicable not just with your finances, with your relationships, with your health, with your entire life. Be the smart person, be the intelligent person that write things down, which means you never forget to get something done. Now you realize it's not about motivation. It's not about dedication. It's about writing it down and holding yourself accountable. I like to use my phone, my iPhone here. That's what I'm using to record this video here. I just write everything on my phone. I have to do anything. And I practice and I train myself to write everything down. This is why in my company, I don't forget things. So when I ask my employees, hey, what about this? What about this? They're like, oh, I forgot. Did you write it down? It's very difficult to be very productive or to succeed on a high level if you can't remember to do things. If you can't remember to take accountability of things, you have to write it down. Don't trust your brain. Thank you for your likes and shares. If this resonated with you, remember, if you want any more information or videos like this, because I know right now you're making a decision to take action, right? Go to wesleyvirgin.com. Type Wesley Virgin in Google. Read about me. Do some research on me. I love you. I appreciate you. I love anybody that spends times like this to watch my videos. This is Wesley, $1 Billion Virgin. Much love. Let's go! Later. Hold up. Here we go.